Catch weight, complete catch weight management ERP.
Structure and cost report in catch weight. For manufacturing module, here click on master data. Now have to click the bill of material. So select the bill of material tab. Now create the bill of material. So here we have to choose the product can be either catch weight or non-catch weight product. So I'm selecting the catch weight product. So I have to give the quantity as well as the catch weight quantity. Now enter the components for the product. So here we have to enter a catch weight quantity for the catch weight products. Product is not a catch weight, so you cannot enter the value for the catch weight. Now after this, you can see a button here that is structure and cost. So click on it. You will get a new window here. This is the overall view of the bill of material structure and the cost. Here we can see the products and the component of that particular product, the quantity, catch weight quantity, catch weight unit of measure, and the product cost, same as bill of material cost. Now, if you want to print, click on the print button. If you want to print the unfolded products, if you click on that, we'll get the unfolded product also. This is the structure of the bill of material in catch weight.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.